everyone. So today we will discuss about map with WMS. So what is WMS? WMS stands for Web Map Services. Okay. So this type of visual used for forecasting, seeing the weather condition, cloud and all. Okay. So I will show you the visual which represents the geographical information. So I will show you within just few button clicks. Okay, so are you guys excited? Let's start. So for this, just drag and drop straight into details. Okay. Next, just go to Google and search for Web Map Services URL. Okay, and click on first link, which is Jepco Web Map Service WMS. Okay, scroll down and you will get one link, this one. Just copy the link address. Okay, and go to Tableau. Then go to map, go to background maps, and then click on add WMS map. Okay, then here just paste this link and click on OK. So see, within just few button clicks you can create WMS map. Okay, isn't it interesting? Then go to map, click on background layers. Okay, then in the left hand side you can see, using this link we can create 7 to 8 visuals. Okay, just you can just deselect this option and select any one option so that you can create another map. Okay, just make sure that select only one checkbox at a time. So I'll just select this one. See, it looks also good. Then I'll just deselect this one and I'll just select this one. Okay, so you can try all these 7 to 8 option. Okay, you can try it by yourself. So you can publish this in your Tableau public profile. Okay, everyone would love to see this type of visuals, right? So let's rename this sheet. WMS. Okay. And I hope you have understood this. That's all for this video. Thank you.
So after the video is over, I will ask questions. So to answer, open my channel and go to the community section and answer all these quiz so that I will know how much you have understood. And if you like my video, then do like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel.